It's so much fun that this is prototype frame, prototype
one
gear.
chance to do it properly, just go for it. And
Yeah,
Tell me
no
when you
half
fucking
measures.
come out of here.
fucking hammer the shit out of it.
Yep.
And then hammer it. Yeah, well, I could just hammer it like that.
No, you have to pierce it. To bring the needle down in a stabbing motion.
I'm just going to go out and forward.
He's going. Go all the way hard. Hard.
Whoa. Fuck me.
It's a flying bomb.
Not over us, you crazy. Fucking hell. Motherfucker. Oh, that's good. I think it's peaked. Nice work. Nice work. Hold on.
Give it another hit. Another 2 cells there.
Oh, shit.
Get back, we'll hit it again.
It's a good screwdriver.
Come back and land. We've got to hit that thing again. I'm not holding it while you hit it. Wait. Let it loose.
God damn it, girl.
Don't stand in front of it.
Yeah.
That's not
All I
smart.
see is your balls, and that's where I'm aiming.
Okay.
Are we ready? Oh, one massive hit.
Got it?
Wait, I kinda.
Fuck.
Round 2. Here we go, ready?
Oh yeah. Into the sun. All right. And the toxic smoke drifts down into the valley. It's a beautiful sunset.
Dry grass.
Yes, land in the dry grass. Boom. It is an ex-parrot.
Wonderful job of taking that home in that car.
We'll get back to you.
Well, it's got the arm.
Damn.
Oh,
Is there still one cell there?
No, definitely not.
Gone. All right. What a team. Safety first. Always.
Is your battery back, bro?
There you go, try to get to that. That's your questions.
This is how we say.
That's hot.
That stinks. I'm getting upwind.
Safe on the plane at least.
I'll post that on the Ryan and say, can I still fly this?
Ruining the hobby. Nice work.
Oh! My money back. Self-love.
That's a whole YouTube video just on its own right there.
Yeah.
Yep.
I don't have any recording of it, but
I do.
yeah, I'll look forward to that.
You can post it if you want. Yep.
Yeah, well, I need some ground footage because I got the flying footage.
Oh, yeah,
I need to
please.
tie in some ground footage of everyone cackling like 3-year-olds.
Yep, I've got that.
Well, the first,
We're being naughty!
the first 2 packs exploded.
I know. Why the hell do you think I
Maturest.
got the fuck out of there so quickly?
Maturest hobby in the world. Any last words?
We all end up with cancer.
That's a good cheerful note to end on. Right.
It's all fun and games until everyone gets cancer.
Yes.